Welcome to the instructional video for Spreadsheet 2, topic 1.2.3, Insert and Modify Page Breaks. So sometimes when you're printing, the pages break at inconvenient points. So let me drag all this down so we have more than a page to work with. But let's say you want to make sure that things break at a certain point. Well, we can do that in Google Sheets. We go under File, Print, and we can set custom page breaks. So when we do that, we see this window. Now we have this line here, but say we'd prefer to have a little more balanced. Actually, that did come out almost 50-50. But for example, we could say, yeah, let's not print that empty row at the top. So we've moved that page break here. We could say that we want the red, green, blue, black, and performance to print on two different sheets. So we could drag that break here. And now if we print this, one page will just say red, green, blue, black. The other page will have the performance numbers. Another page will have the bottom half of the performance numbers. So with any of these page breaks, you can move them up and down and choose where they go. Notice when I drag that up, this appeared at the bottom. So we can shorten a page, but we can't necessarily extend it. The software will say that is the limit of this page and cut you off at that point. So now this performance data will print on 3 pages instead of 2 because I've artificially shortened the first page, and it will not let us overflow the second page. We cannot put more data on page 2 than will fit on page 2 when we print it. If that's what we want, we confirm breaks. If not, we reset it. If we really need them together, we can adjust the scale. You can also zoom in and zoom out. Resetting will go back to our default. So this is how we do custom page breaks in a Google spreadsheet.